for me chel bibiara samre or share me na otie me. Wadaroma on sa cancer video ya share mani nu Kennedy Japan honorable asweye. In fact, honorable Kennedy Japan, you have to come out to apologize to all the IGWC members all over the world. Yes, you have to come out and apologize to each and every one in IGWC all over the world. For a whole honorable member like you, a caliber as you are, to come out to insult, giving an insult to each and every member of Angelo Binim's church. Why? In fact, I'm very disappointed in you. I'm very disappointed in you. I don't even know what word I should use to qualify that thing that you just did on your radio. Ade and how? Honorable Kennedy Japan, and how? Baby, I feel the audio drew no. Ya papa ya Angelo Binim no 2 years full. Wasema ne ba bia mfa ne ho beje wo ne na asemu. Obia ye din. Na afedia wo de kwa. Wasan. Etimi adu extend say wo di ne church members nyina tem. Adey. Wo se ejimifo anekọ na asori. Ejimifo. Anyway, ejimifo na bi ne me. Enu ti me sususu me ba be yi me ho anu am won hu say yenye ejimifo na egu asori nim. Yes, yenye ejimifo na egu asori nim. Sa ejimifo na wo refer no emu bi ne me. Ana me no sususu me ye MPP member. Ye party na wo enu hu nti ama di brese wo ye honorable wo man ni mu no. Yes, ye de ma adwene ye yusu ma adwene ye MPP party no. E kama adwene ka adwene a ye keka bo mu a etimi de MPP e betena akonya ne so no. Yes, hwebani mu ye me di de kwabena o kire. I was a former party chairman, polling station chairman ewo Obuasi New Estate Housing Corporation. Go and ask opa ko Obuasi na kokokwohwe ko party office Sani eye secretary ewo ho kokobusa Sani say Housing Corporation when na eye chairman wo ho me yanto me so aba. It was unopposed because of my gene ni minyansa ne ma ho brase entina former president Kofo e made this position ne ma me ti ma gene ka omo de MPP ekosoro ne ho ti se wo frɛ sɛ obi a odi Angelo bi ni machi nyina ejibifo ne kɔ na asɔre a ɛna na kyɛ sɛ wo didi MPP fo nyina nso atem honorable Kennedy Japan wo didi o refer to say MPP fo nyina nso so yɛ ejibifo ana wo bɛgye atum saa because yes so ya numbi no ewo Angelo Binim echechinim. Go and ask your colleagues. Yes, Steven Amwa ni di ni nickname Yestika. Currently MPP ba power 2016 Kobusa Steka Maslock's CEO, the CEO currently CEO of Maslock. Yes, Steka, mo party members will be able to say a fairness Steka, Steven Amwa, honorable Kobusano, Omo 2016, Omo fighting Yomu Jinaye, Jinaye ma MPP Tini Ba Power, Kokobusa CEO of Konfanoche, Dr. Oheneba Danso, Pa Ekua, Nanado, Ensasha Siye, Emma Yetiye, Washante region, Ayatuni di EIL, economically independent literates. With a member of 60 and they meeting every Sunday Rexema Hotel Steka nane da no out of nipa 60 na yate ye enye nipa hunu akeko empenfo kuku danfo e wa Ashanti region ha ekuku danfo na wa Ashanti region ha acha ma untumi mu nyina nsa wombi a lawyers akese etira ma boss Steka Steven Amwa CEO of Konfanoche, Dr. Oheneba Danso. Out of that 60, we were having 5 executives. That out of some 5 executives, me na me to so 3. Me am me kasram to so 3. But yen e ba ye de ba MPP timi wini ye no. Eno ho sa party no ho eku a ye te ye no aye economically independent literate. Ye kwan ni ye means ye fa so ye dey party ni ba power no. You honorable Canadian Japan, you were aware. But so wouldn't me. When you go for your mutai, chira, ma party need to be bar power. You're fighting Washington Region Hammer Party in bar power. You don't know, you know nothing of. But when him say him about that, a kuono, because a kuono, ye modern bono, and then a day or Henneba, Dr. Henneba Danso, in your position of Confanochi CEO. And on that day, Stephen Amwa Ayestika, Emma sa position of Maslow, CEO Siciano. So se me boa demie. Enti sa ye mu bi no, ye di ye papa na ye Angelo bi ni mochi. Ye de ma. Na sa what na TV so ne wo radio so, na wo ni nanya beef, na to bi bie wa no, kasa tantan we free wa no ba. E ka se na sore ma. Ejimifo ne ko na sore a. Then you are referring to the whole MPP party. So obiya ye ejimifo. Because yemu binum bebre belong to MPP party. I'm very disappointed in you. Your colleagues, ebienia bre, finding means they are fighting. So bet me are retaining their seats. So MPP government bet me are retaining their seats. Almost year campaign, begging people to vote for the party, fighting, toiling for the party. Look at you now, sitting on your radio, your stupid chair, sitting on it, insulting pastors, fighting with pastors, whilst your other colleagues are fighting, trying all their means to retain the party in power. Yes, sir. My friend, Papa, Honorable, come out and render an apology to all the IGWC members all over the world. I'm telling you. Because Kasana Okayano, time. And Tilobinima Babeka, and Toka Bay, a dear dinner, dear yo. Nipa no one na dinner home, and Quafua be found the picture to oil fake you who say, I will him say when ya a coronavirus a draw. Nipa na babontia bekasa because of who did dinner term. What babontia bekasa in one say, and no cre. I did say, I don't quite TV so, Eddie dinner term. Or Angelo Binima Bono, said the old Jew who di, and who say what Bobrano, Angelo Binim swabobra. What do respect a man? Wa catch the money na ye gida obi asem obi ankasa ya so ya tete tire na ye hwe oni etie bio ba ya nya jimifo se de o refer no ya wa ahemfofo ya wa ahemfo kukudam o ma ahenefo a mo bebi ani a mo te asore da mu hobi ya wa lawyers ni a doctors a mo wa asore da mu hobi ya won kofo bi a wo won abo Canada Japan no wo hia o mo wa bonte a wo be chia wo mo enje sika nkwa na ya de o enimonyam soso ya ade adwene nyansa soso ya ade opon sika wo nyina no ebia ye num bi soso bi ti wo a wodu sika no beto nche wo be pay adwene nyansa ede aye bibi wate enye be bia enye nipa bia na wo se uhu na sa na wakasa etia no wo kasa na wo kan na nye na ye be pusi ye papa no sade ye woni die sade wo tibia no ye pay ade sa and now so the members say papa. Let me tell you, ni shoe kran na ye babewe. I'm telling you, ni shoe kran na ye babewe. So say, bibi wo ye papa ni mu, ye Angelo bi ni bibi wo ni mu. Say dia wo na wo su wo ni mu nyame, wo a wo ni nyame kwa wo su wo tumi. Na dia ono wo nyame. Ona wo se hwi ni mu. Fake sam na wo ka no. Listen, ye dan ya Jesus Christ obeba. Jesus na mu ye ka bi kire no. Enye ye nipa ye ati asefo na ye wo kan be ye wanwa. Na emom se de maka akire wo no wa fefa no afede ye wo kasa na afede ye bebi ade duru no brother be pa chewo sa anya se ye be pushi ye papa no omie na no because ne doma ye te ne church ni mu no over 150,000 members no all over the world no we are telling you wonim MPP for do do a wom wonim how yeso ye nam ase and the campaign ma MPP, but we are all stepping down. That there are no men go. We will never campaign for Nanado in this election because the way you know, a shallow-minded thing now you know. Election time, look at what you've been doing to church pastors. Again, how? This time I hear nipa. So to win about the politics, they are politicians so. But you know underground. What you should use the strategy of politics to get your people. But look at what you've been doing. What time MPP party? They are sometimes secretly. We all come bringing MPP down, no. But we do. I'm about phone gin to. Who come home? O secret meetings also there also so here no. Aya also so dwene ho. No man na wo ye nenye. No man na ye nenye. What dey ade to nipa so se nyame a. We to so aye akasa. Honorable brother Bepachawo. I'm telling you, brother Bepachawo anya sa. This time around no. Say your papa ni bie na no. So wo bie na no say ne ba bia wo do no tie na asem. Echi ni di bia hwe na wan to aba. I am at the party of MPP. You will see what will happen here. The Bemana specify Angelo Binimonye politics he has never in his life. So why your politics is that? But this time around, you be pushing on your politics in a different way. On bien anon kanekeke. On announce the keke on the TV to say ne ba bia o penase ne o hen wan to aba MPP. And you will see what will happen. You will see what will happen. Adai Adiam Quada Kennedy. Adiaba didn't quite how. My friend, my engineer.